Namaskar. Khairamjari.
Hello,
I'm Kirtika.
I'm WONHCUI.
I'm ANGANBA. I'm Susan. I'm Kendriya.
And we are team
NextGen
Builders from Kendriya Vidyalaya number 1 Imphal. And today we are here to showcase our project SMRITISHUDDHI YANTRA. It is an eco-smart pen that will make India develop, Swachh and Atmanirbhar. Now let us dive into this project. Now let us learn about the problem statement. Thousands of waste and tons of waste are generated every day in India. Even when I'm speaking, maybe thousands of waste must be generated. These waste are mixed, unsaturated, and polluted our rivers, streets, and even the air that we breathe. Yes, the oxygen that you, me, and my friends right now is breathing is polluted. So what can we do? We need a very smart, local, affordable solution in order to make a Swachh, Atmanirbhar, and green Bharat. So what really can we do in order to achieve a smart, local, and affordable solution? And that was where we started our journey. We thought, can a humble dustbin become Atmanirbhar? Can it take, send, and help the Bharat be clean on its own? Can it? And after thinking for a while, we started our journey to design a smart, sustainable, self-reliant called SMRITISHUDDHI. Now, let us learn about the vision of this very project. Our vision is extremely clear as glass. When we first started our project, our vision was an eco-friendly India, and it's still our vision. And our project meant I also to make a tech-driven society, a self-reliant future, that is an Atmanirbhar future where we will be only dependent on ourselves, on the country only, and there will be no exports from other countries. The eco-smart pen, that is SMRITISHUDDHI, is more than just an ordinary dustbin. It is our idea of digital Bharat means clean Swachh Bharat. Now passing the mic to my fellow teammate WONHCUI to know about the parts and compartment. WONHCUI, please.
Pause. Thank you, KIRTIKA. I'm WONHCUI, and let's dive into this project and components. At the heart of our eco-smart brain lies in the Arduino Uno microcontroller, the brain of our system. It contains 3 ultrasonic sensors, 1 IR sensor, and 3 servo motors. Ultrasonic sensors classifies the waves based on the reflective of rays. IR sensors detect the movement near the pin, and servo motors lift the lid automatically, completely touch-free, promoting hygiene. Now, compartments, there are 3 compartments: organic, recyclable, and non-recyclable. Our wiring is simple and smart. No breadboardings required, and every component directly connects to the Arduino pins, showing the student like us can build an impactful tech with India's creativity. This technology is made for Indians, made by Indians, and made for India. Now, I would like to pass the mic to my fellow teammate, Amanda.
Thank you, WONHCUI, for this opportunity. Now, we will talk about the benefits, vision, and also effect of our project. The eco-smart pen is not just a device, it is a movement. It supports India's movements toward building a clean city, sustainable development, and digital governance. There are many benefits just at a glance. The first benefits are automatic waste detection and alert. First, the smart dustbin will detect the waste and then it will tell us which trash will be belong to. Like if it's organic, the organic section will open up and then we can just throw it there. And if it's organic and it's in the non-organic section, the smart bin will alert itself and then we can know that there's something wrong with the bin, and then we can also change the trash. And second, dust-free with for hygiene. And for the common waste segregation, as there are many young students and adults in our society, the being organized is a very important step for becoming a student. So the young students can learn from the very young age that being organized is important, and they can learn being organized from this smart eco bin. And when the students grow up, they will also teach their children about being organized and all of that too. And lastly, it's completely student built using affordable components. Now, just imagine if such bins were built in schools, cities, and stations. It will make India. It will be a big step for India to become Swachh and Atmanirbhar Bharat. Thank you. Now I would like to call my friend, my team, KIRTIKA, again here.
We dream of a future of the India, of the Bharat, where everyone, whether a child or whether an adult, is able to see proudly that my country is
clean,
smart, because we made it that way. We are team NextGen Builders, and this is our contribution to Buildathon 2025. Dhanyawad. The frontmost view of our model, that is SMRITISHUDDHI. At the very front, we can see 3 pairs of eye-like structures. These are ultrasonic sensors, and we have divided compartment into organic, recyclable, and other. The topmost view has 3 servo motors and a IR sensor. Here is the brain of the entire model, that is Arduino Uno, and all the wiring has been done to Arduino Uno, as the command will be given from here. The model will work in a such way that will affect the India very much. For example, if I approach this model or this bin with a recyclable product, there is a marker right here, let us suppose, then first of all, the ultrasonic sensors will detect how far am I from the bin, and then it will give the information to the Arduino, and then the IR sensors right here will detect the reflectivity of the marker, and after which it will then decide whether it belongs to the organic, recyclable, or other. And after deciding it will open the respective compartment. For example, as this was a recyclable product, it will open the recyclable compartment. It will open through servo motors. For example, if we program it to move till 90 degree only, then it will move perpendicular, and this will open this much. But if we had programmed it to open till 180, then it will do a half revolution and open